Desert Artist here. I'm here with my Pullin Pro. You know, they don't call it a Pullin Pro for nothing. After a while, you become a pro at pulling. But I figured out a simple solution to fix your pulling problems. What I did is I took this off here. It's got a proprietary screw in there. It's got like a star screw, something or other, but it's also got a flathead. You can put a flathead in there and take this top off. It's got a screw here. It's got a screw here. And then it's got one screw up here by the safety bar. Now, there's two things you need to check when you're checking your pulling. Once you take this off, your air cleaner's right underneath. So check your air cleaner, rinse it out with some gasoline, and clean it up. That's your first step. Your second step, if it still doesn't work, you're still pulling, take out your spark plug, make sure that you have spark. If you have spark, increase the gap in your spark plug by just a hair. What that does is that increases the heat inside the spark because it has to go a farther distance. So the spark has to have more voltage in order to go through from one point to the other. It increases the heat, increases the ignition factor for your gasoline. That's going to be your problem fixer right there. Increasing the gap in your spark plug is just enough to, and then hook your spark plug back up, set it on the engine, pull it a couple times to see if you got spark. If you don't have spark, you probably need to decrease it or get a new spark plug. But if you still have spark, put that monster back in there, pull it a couple times, and it should start right up lickety split. That was my solution to my problem after I became a Pullin Pro. You guys have a great day. This is Desert Artist. I'm out of here.